Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must start inside the AWS Management Console. Open EC2 in the correct region and sign in with an account that has termination rights. Once in, locate the instance ID and verify attached EBS volumes, any, and elastic IPs so you know what to clean up. If you need a restore point, create an AMI or snapshot now. This preserves data. Make sure to stop the instance first if you want a consistent snapshot, because running disks may yield incomplete backups. You will now terminate the instance. Select it in the EC2 console, choose Actions, then Instance State, then Terminate, and confirm the action. Termination begins immediately. Once terminated, detach and release any elastic IPs to avoid charges, and delete or snapshot EBS volumes if they were not set to delete on termination. Also check auto-scaling groups and load balancer target groups. Make updates so they do not attempt to replace or route. Once termination completes, verify the instance shows terminated and review EC2, elastic IP, and EBS listings to ensure nothing remains. Check CloudWatch and CloudTrail for any automation or auto-scaling actions that triggered replacements, and confirm billing now reflects the change. If termination appears stuck or resources persist, make sure your IAM permissions and service quotas are not blocking actions. Sometimes a dependency like a protected snapshot or a lifecycle hook prevents deletion. If needed, retry the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.